Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Brian Horror, not Horror, so don't get it twisted. Hi guys, happy June 1st. I am so excited. This is Pride Month. This is my time. This is my month to shine. Bitch, we're gonna do a little makeup look today. This is gonna be my first ever, I guess, makeup video slash tutorial. I don't know. I'm not a makeup person. I just like doing makeup on myself. Like, just, I don't know, just for a hobby as fun. But I mean, I'm gonna film it, like, why not? By the way guys, I'm wearing like a freaking fitting, you know. I'm wearing like a whole little Pride look, like I did my hair. Like, we're really gonna make this video. And I do got Pride socks on. So this video is gonna be, you know, interesting. But please guys, let me move y'all up a little bit. Cut me some slack because I don't have good lighting. I'm filming this at night because I do want to have this up by tomorrow, which is June 1st. I'm in my bathroom, so you're gonna be hearing this stupid like noise in the background. We're gonna get through this. I will try to make this short and simple. It's really hot, so if I sweat, please understand that it's freaking hot, you know, in my bathroom. The doors are closed, so let's just get started. The first thing is I'm basically going to start off with my eyebrows. So I'm going to start off with doing rainbow eyebrows, and I am going to be showing you guys how I do my rainbow eyebrows. I'm going to take this lip liner. It's basically just red. I'm not going to like be trying to like show this off too much, but it's basically like this. It's a red lip liner, so I basically use lip liner for like my eyebrows, and I'm gonna start red, you know, like the rainbow. Everyone knows the rainbow's color, so like red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. So that's what I'm basically gonna be doing, or attempt to be doing. So let's just get started. So I basically always just start off with like the shape of how I want my eyebrows to be. So this is basically the beginning of my eyebrow. So that's basically what I'm doing, and then the next thing I'm gonna do is basically gonna go in with a red eyeshadow, and I'm also gonna be going in with some red blush that I have to like fill it in. Give me one sec. So I'm gonna be using this one, going in the red shade. I feel like I'm gonna be sucking ass at doing tutorials because, like I said, I'm not good at this, so excuse me. So as you can see, like you can start seeing like basically the color, and the next color I'm gonna use is yellow. But the only thing is that like I have a yellow eyeshadow in this new palette that I bought. It's like by Elf. I just wanted to buy it for like this look in specific. Let me open her up. So I'm gonna try to use this yellow color, but the thing is that it's not very pigmented, and I'm not trying to come for like Elf or whatever because it's a good brand. So I am gonna be going in with this. I believe it is LA Girl. They have like this neon collection of these eyeliners, so I am gonna be using that. I'm trying to make sure my hair is the yellow. There we go. So now I'm gonna obviously go in with green by the same brand. It's by LA Girl. It's just like a neon green one. Like, I like using different colors. Usually when I buy makeup, I love colorful colors. Like, I'm that bitch. Like, I'm extra. I'm always gonna have like, you know, different colors or whatnot. We don't like doing basic ass colors in this channel, so excuse me, sis. And I'm gonna be going in with this green shade. By the way, the green shade name is Messiah. Like that. Now I'm gonna be going in with Candice. I think that's what it's called, this purple shade, and I'm gonna be doing the end of my eyebrow now. I'm gonna be doing the same to the other eyebrow, and like I said, I will be right back when both of them are finished. Ta-da! And this is basically what they look like after. With concealer, like I know this shit looks kind of nasty and weird. It's just because I have to go in with my like foundation still. But yeah, I basically do my eyebrows first whenever I do my makeup, and then I do my foundation after. So that's basically what I'm going to be doing right now. But I do use this Milk Stick foundation. I usually that was a fail. But I use this primer, it's by Maybelline, it's this baby skin one. I freaking love this because this definitely does make me, it gives me like that baby skin, so yeah. Perfect, so let's just go in with the foundation, and I'm honestly gonna skip this part because I mean, like, who doesn't know how to put foundation? But I mean, if you guys want me to do like a video in the future of me actually putting my foundation, or like how I put my foundation, let me know down below and I will make a video of like, I guess, my foundation routine. There you go, foundation is now on. So this is like the boring part, I guess, or like the, like, I don't know. So this is basically what the foundation looks like. Very excited, I fucking love that Milk foundation, and I'm gonna say milk, bitch, not milk, milk. Alright, so yeah, that's basically how my foundation looks. I like it because it makes me look very natural. Although I don't look natural right now at all because of the eyebrows, but this ain't no natural look, boo. And if you came here for a natural look, you're in the wrong channel. What am I feeling? I'm thinking about doing like a, I did like an eyeliner look, so I'm going to be going in with this LA Girl crayon. So yeah, so we're just gonna go in with the eyeliner, doing like 60s look kind of wing liner. So basically that's what it's gonna look like. I know it looks probably shitty, but like I said, we're gonna correct it later. We're gonna clean it up. It's just basically like the idea of what I want it to look like. And we're gonna do the same thing to this eye, so I will be right back when both eyes are finished. Alrighty, I'm back. Oh, it took me forever. I'm just saying, I did this eyeliner and I put glitter in it, if you can see. I freaking love my Jeffree Star mirror, by the way. I feel like it's just so kawaii the way it reflects. So cute. So I'm gonna use this freaking blush by Artisan Color. I don't even know what brand this is. I just bought it from the drugstore because I saw it and I knew one day I was gonna use red. I've been using this palette. I got it from a friend, by the way. It's literally called Celestial Thunder by Dominique Cosmetics. I'm gonna be going in with this like rusty orange kind of color. Zinga. So I'm gonna go in with Zinga and a little bit of the ELF. By the way, it's called Solar. The one on the ELF palette, the yellow one, is called Solar. It's going over with a little bit. We're gonna try to blend it out together with the orange and the red. Like I said, we're trying to look a rainbow up in this girl. Up in this joint. Very cute though. I like this. And then you can clean it up, like I said, with your sponge. Like if it looks a little messy, because I know it starts looking a little crazy. Because you can always go in with your beauty blender and clean her up a little bit, you get me? Gola, I think it's called Gola from the Juvia's palette, so it's the one on the bottom. I'm gonna go in with her palette. So I'm just gonna go in with her for a little bit, not too much, we don't wanna look too crazy. Which we're gonna go in with the purple, once again from the Juvia's palette. This one's called Candice. I did mention it earlier, I'm just renaming it again, or renaming, I'm re-saying it again just so you guys know which one I'm using. So this one. So this is basically what I'm looking like so far. I like it. It's really cute. So after this, now I'm going to be drawing... Ooh, I got glitter all over my... So now what I'm going to be doing is drawing clouds on the side of my cheeks. And I am going to be going in with an old product. I don't even think you can get this anymore. It's by Manic Panic. It's Goth White. I'm basically going to be going in with this one. I haven't used it in forever, but it's basically like I'm using face paint, so I don't have any face paint. I would use face paint if I had it, but I don't have any, so we're just just gonna work, like I said, with what we got. So basically I'm just gonna draw like the outline of the cloud, and then I'll come back and show you guys what it looks like, and then fill it. Alrighty guys, so I drew the clouds out and I basically filled them in. I used the Manic Panic, and I also went in with, I just had it. I literally just had it. I also went in with this individual Wet n Wild eyeshadow called the Sugar. It's literally freaking white. I know it looks a little weird just because I freaking should have just done the outline of the clouds first and then gone in with like the rainbow blush, because you can like see in the cloud that it's like blue towards the ends. But I mean, whatever, like we're working with it. I still like it. I think it's really cute. So yeah, this is basically how it looks like so far, and pretty simple. Just drawing clouds is easy. I would recommend either using a small little precise brush like this or the one that I use, because basically that one saved. I think you should use this one better though, just because the fact that this is very much smaller and it's way more easier to actually draw on your face. So this is very amazing for like excuse me, for like literally little details and doing little techniques like that. So yeah, I recommended this, and like I said, I did use these two products. I did want to put glitter in the clouds, but then I feel like that's just too much because I already have glitter on my lids. But yeah, the next thing I'm basically going to be doing is applying the little rhinestones on my face, and we're basically done with this look. I don't know how or where it fell, but yeah. So I'm just going to apply them really quick as I desire, and I will be back. So Neutrogena came out with new makeup. I'm excited about it because it has a lot of like hyaluronic acid, which is good in order to fight acne, in order to keep your skin clear. So it's a much healthier makeup to use than like other brands. It is a little bit expensive, but I did cop one of their setting sprays. Neutrogena has this one. Yeah, we're gonna give this a little shake and set this face. Since this look is very kawaii, I do want to use my Morphe Jeffree Star setting spray, of course. I want to smell like strawberries. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm very excited and proud of it. If I was to go to Pride, I would definitely do my makeup like this, especially with the shirt. You know, this is like such a vibe. I feel like a little kawaii clown in a way. But this is very Pride. This is very me, very festival in my opinion. I'm just going to put some lip gloss because why not? And if you want to know what lip gloss I'm using, or it's a lip plumper lip gloss, it's from Ulta's own brand. It's called Ulta Beauty Plumped Up Proud, something like this. My friend gave this to me and I honestly really like it because it like goes with my lips, so it doesn't look like I'm even wearing anything, but my lips are just, you know, shiny. I'm very excited. I like doing a lot of like eye makeup and crazy things, so I don't do like cut creases and stuff like that. I honestly, my style of makeup is very like rave, just very extra, honestly. Like I honestly don't do my makeup a lot like every day. I do like some simple stuff, but like usually this is like the stuff that I'm gonna go like a special event and I'm gonna go all out with the fit and everything. But yeah, I hope you guys really enjoy this. Give this video a thumbs up. Please comment down below if you guys do want to comment. Let me know if you guys tried this. Would like for me to post more makeup videos, or what other type of videos you guys want to post. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel because I am going to be posting more. And once again, dude, to everybody out there, I just want to say happy Pride, happy June 1st. You know, I'm so sad that we're not going to be having a Pride this year in LA, but why not celebrate indoors? You know, we still got Pride in here, honey. So, you know, this is basically me having my own little Pride with you guys. I hope you guys really enjoy this video. I love you guys so much, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.